Hey guys, what's up? Biking here. Um, how's it going? Today we're gonna remove and service a bottom bracket. So yeah, just remove the clamp bolts and get the compression um, bolt remover. The Park Tool one is the best. And yeah, just remove that. I'm pretty sure they're like $40. But yeah, once you move that, put it in a safe place. Then remove the little clip that stops the cranks from coming off. Yeah, don't forget that because if you pull the cranks off with that in, you'll jag the little hole. So yeah, just pull off the cranks. May need a little hit with a hammer, so get some wood and hammer it out. And yeah, then once it's flush, you can pretty much just pull it out the other way. Might need some persuasion, as this one has been in there since it was new this year. Yeah, so you pretty much, after you've cleaned it up and degreased it with some good degreaser and solvent, you pretty much just want to put some grease back on the cranks for when you put them back in. But yeah, in this video you don't want to remove the threads. Sorry guys, just had to remember. I meant yeah. But anyway, let's get on with this. So put back in the cranks. You might need some persuasion, just like getting it out, but it should be easier as you got grease. Then you want to grease up the non-drive side crank, and then you want to pretty much put that on, and then you want to squeeze out all the excess, and then yeah, you put the clip back in as well. Don't forget that, and then do up the compression bolt. Spin it, make sure it works nicely. And yeah, just clean up everything. And yeah, then you want to put back on the compression bolts and tighten them up to spec, which is like 14 Newton meters, but I don't need a torque wrench for this, as you can pretty much evenly do it. I just want to tighten it evenly, so I just put one in, and then I get the other one, and then put that in as well. Okay, so say we're going to go, this is how I like to do it, so I measure it from, so I'm going to start, I'll go there, and I'm going to go half a rotation, and another half rotation. You don't really need that, you only want it to be about 14 Newton meters. Yeah, after you've done that to spec, yeah, it's pretty much set. So just make sure everything's right. Just spin it again, just to make sure it's all good. Then you want to put back on the chain, and yeah, if you have a clutch like me, you just have to let the clutch out, and then put back on your chain tensioner and tighten that little bastard up so your chain doesn't drop again. And yeah, like, subscribe, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. And yeah, that doesn't sound good. Ooh, there we go.
Good as new. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.